Good morning, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest update. This is the weekend edition of our analysis for today, May 10 to 12, Saturday to Monday, 2025, English version, brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, sustainable with you. If you're interested, just click on the link up here, or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI sustainable with you. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. Now let's begin with our update. Everything is quiet right now. We have a couple of thunderstorms during the past few days, but right now we are experiencing drier conditions in most parts of the country. There are still some isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening in some selected portions of the country. We have the prevailing easterlies, but somewhat dry. So it's good for some vacation and sea travel, nothing to worry about, but expect these thunderstorms to occur in the afternoon or evening. No LPAs or tropical cyclone expected to form in the next 10 days. Everything is quiet. We have a frontal system here over East Asia, and here's the vast animation from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page. You can witness here some isolated thunderstorms across northern Luzon, Mindanao, western Visayas. As you can also clearly see here, it's already past midnight of Saturday, and there's still some thunderstorms over Zamboanga Peninsula, over the southern coastal areas, and western sections of Visayas. There's one here moving into the Sulu Archipelago. And so far, everything is clear all around the country. For the rain forecast tomorrow afternoon, for the rain forecast for today, Saturday until Tuesday, so we expect thunderstorms to prevail in parts of Luzon, including Bicol region and Mindanao. Sunday afternoon, Luzon and Mindanao will still have some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. Come Monday, May 12, this will be on election day. Thunderstorms will still persist in isolated areas of Luzon and also over western and southern Mindanao. And on Tuesday, some thunderstorms will continue to persist over parts of Luzon, as well as over Mindanao portion of the Bicol region. And for the wind forecast, nothing to show you here to the weekend until the day after election day. It will remain east to southeasterly trade winds across the eastern portions of the Philippines. There is somewhat a passing frontal system over Batanes, but it is short-lived. And so far, that's the forecast until Tuesday, May 13. And for the wave forecast, nothing to show you here as well. Until May 13, we expect some light waves over the East Philippine Sea up to 1 meter in wave heights, while calm to actually it's generally calm, over the central waters of the Philippines, while of the West Philippine Sea is below. It will be below 1 meter in wave height. Very suitable for fishing and sea travel. Now here's the latest global topics hazards outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA, valid for the next 2 to 3 weeks, wherein the third week is highly uncertain. Let's begin with the second week, valid May 14 to May 20. There will be a 20% chance for tropical cyclone formation east of the country, but this is barely focused on the American model. Other models doesn't show anything. So the probability is low. As for the third week, May 21st to May 27, this for the last 2 weeks of May, more than 20% above average rainfall, or 50%, more than 50% of above average rainfall will be expected over the Philippines, mainly because of the localized thunderstorms and possibly the onset of the southwesterly wind flow across our country. But generally, this is more of the converging cloudiness over the country during the last few weeks of May. So there you go. That's the latest through the weekend. Nothing to worry about. Enjoy your vacation whenever you go this weekend, and just remain safe. Okay. This is Mike Padua saying, see you again next week. Vote wisely for this coming local election. That will be on May 12th, Monday. We'll see you again the day after election. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless to all.